Cheers. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my friend Mackenzie. Say hi. You may remember her from our Bean Boozled video. We're back. Today we're gonna try Japanese snacks. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so chocolate is down. So we have coffee. Looks like this. We have strawberry cream covered biscuit sticks or chocolate cream covered biscuit sticks.
Should we announce also
we're drinking Momochi mimosa thing.
people should know.
It's Sunday. Don't judge us.
I ate a whole box. I'm pretty sure when I first got it, I ate the whole box and I loved it. Start this one other too.
Scissors are for the
See, this I know is going to be good. This I have. I've never had straw. I've actually never had chocolate. Strawberry ones I've had.
Ready?
Go with the sword.
Ready?
I love it.
These are good. They're like simple, so you just eat like a million of them because they're just always gonna be good.
Fuck you. Oh my god, it tastes like strawberries.
It does. I like it.
Oh god.
What's this? Is this the ice cream thing?
Yeah, this is supposed to be like a candy ice cream cone, but I'm pretty sure it's gross. Thanks, Amazon.
It's called Caplico Stick. Like that.
Oh, there's like chocolate. Look at it.
Yep.
Oh, the top is strawberry.
Wafer.
Oh, you know what it tastes like? The
Number butter.
no, the wafer. You know they have like the vanilla chocolate strawberry ones.
Yeah.
Like the little ones. That's what this tastes like. Just way more cream. These are great stuff.
Grape gummy candy. You want to see those?
Oh.
They're individually wrapped. I like that. I like
I thought
that.
they were all mushy. I was like, these smell real. Ooh, I already like it. I already like it.
I love
It
grape.
smells like Bubblicious gum.
I love anything grape. Yep.
I just remember as a child eating Bubblicious gum, wishing I could just ingest it. Like,
I know. It's so good.
oh my god.
Those are really good.
How?
I enjoy the gummy candy. I choose.
Oh, the mango ones.
Oh yeah. So these are gummy.
These are, yeah, these are fruit chews. They look like gum.
Yeah. What do you got in there?
Mango.
Alright, so I'll open the strawberry one.
Old candle. Like, crayon. Right?
No, it smells like
When you left makeup for 20 years. Like this is
that does not happen.
this is what not blue eyeshadow.
I like it.
Ooh, wait. And then
Alcohol.
there it is. Look at them, we're so overpowering. I can.
I like the strawberry too.
Almost just the same, like less tropical.
The colors do not represent the flavors though.
This is pineapple. average everyday white candy. Actually, it smells like Play-Doh. Maybe I like that I eat. You're still chewing on them?
Yeah.
Chew faster!
I'm trying.
I have a bum too. I mean, with that flavor, like I feel like I'm expecting like the Jolly Rancher, your mouth just like starts to water.
Yeah. It's faintly reminding me of a Jolly Rancher, but not like
Keyword fake.
Yeah.
It's not as like just like, oh, I want to chew this piece of forever.
Let's try this.
Yeah.
Roasted green peas by the Kasugai brand again.
Oh, they look great stuff. Are they wasabi?
It doesn't say wasabi.
Not in the part where
A happy person from the earth, it says on the message.
maybe you wanted the peas, but not the other.
Happy person?
Very anticlimactic. I was hoping they would wasabi.
So a little salty, but not really. They taste like they taste like
Oh, the green peas, that's fine. No, the sugar snap pea crisps.
I'm really scared. Squid.
Oh!
What does it smell like? Oh, it smells from here.
He's like,
Cat likes it.
it smells like fish food.
It really does.
Oh no! Oh no! I don't want
I mean,
I can't have that one.
I will eat anything. So
I mean, I feel like it's not going to be that bad because I like.
this is what it looks like.
I eat squid. This is my cat.
You see it?
Squid, sugar, salt.
Can you say it? Can you say it? Can you say it? Tastes like nothing. It's got the consistency of jerky, but there's like no flavor. Like, if you really bite down and like really taste it,
Oh, flavor! It tastes like fish. It tastes like seaweed. It tastes like seaweed. Seaweed.
David.
Same company.
So this is gum, bubble gum.
Let me try this. Sorry. Coca-Cola.
Yeah, let's try the Coca-Cola gum.
So I feel like I don't want to. I heard this is really good. Every time I see someone do this, and they have this, freak out.
Get it?
That's nice.
The brass ball.
Girl. Marina go.
Marina Go, Coca-Cola bubble gum. Smell Coca-Cola.
Oh no, it's candy.
Tastes like
Oh, my goodness.
a little bit.
They smell like hot garbage.
Ew. Why?
Summer garbage.
Yeah.
Gross. I don't know, but I can kind of taste like. I can kind of taste that like. But more in your mouth. It's like.
Cola.
Plus Smarties.
Yeah. So they're more of like a Smarties candy. They're good.
I thought they were gone.
Candy. Candy.
It's
I like this.
Ooh. It tastes like tang.
It's like tang.
Love tang.
Thank you. And I really like it. They're really good.
Like this thing. It always tastes like the strawberry, like the Breyers strawberry ice cream. Ugh.
I like that.
That's Maru Kawa.
Yes.
You have to kind of flavor on me, like we're like fish mouth water.
Yeah. So good.
This one's melon.
Ooh, this is gonna be good. Or bad.
See, I don't know like this. So I don't know like what kind of melon.
Well, it's green and it looks like honeydew, so maybe it's honeydew.
No, that's a cantaloupe. That's honeydew.
So it's both of them.
Ooh, I feel like that kind of gum would not taste good. It would taste good.
It smells like a Bath and Body Works.
Hey, get out of here.
Get out of here.
Yeah, it tastes like watermelon.
It really does.
It's not that bad though. I'm into it. I'm chew it again.
Me too.
I'm really excited.
Great. Great. It's both of our favorites.
Oh god. Actually, this one.
I love grape Kool-Aid. That's my favorite
See, I'm not a big grape drinker.
drink. Purple drink.
Yeah, I'm not purple drink. Like, if you give me a grape candy, I'm all about it. Or like grape soda. Whoa.
Grape soda.
If you want to get out, that's a nice thing.
Thank you.
The underside of a school table.
It's a graveyard.
Yeah, great. Oh yeah.
Like right away.
What was your favorite?
Out of all of the candies, I would say the gum and the poppy. What about you?
Grape shoes.
I like them too.
Oh no.
Different. That's the end of the video. We hope you liked it. I will put Mackenzie's Instagram down below. She's not on YouTube, so you can't go watch her videos, but you can go follow her on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. And
Where you at? What's your at? Where are you at? Laurie Lombardi on Instagram.
nope, it's just Instagram. That's why I don't do that.
Oh.
I wasn't able to get at Laurie Lombardi on Twitter or anything. I'm at Laurie Lombardi on Instagram and Snapchat. And then at MUA Laurie on Twitter. Twitter. So everything will be down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Let us know what else you want to see. We're gonna film another video. We'll see you later. Bye!